You've heard this so many times. We offer digital, artificial intelligence-powered solutions for your assets management. Here it is a real solution that works. Hi, my name is Juan. I'm the CEO of Vtol, an aerospace engineer developing unmanned aerial systems since 2012. If you're a utilities contractor, you're used to typing long reports manually. Same if you're a maintenance manager from a utilities company. You're used to reading super boring reports, right? What you really need is prioritizing maintenance actions along with your team. Today, I would like to walk you through the workflow of getting digital information using drones from flight planning to data analysis and reporting. So before starting operations, the flight plan is key. The closer we fly to the assets, the higher the resolution will be. So we have to find a compromise between safety and data quality. Vtol can support you during this process of getting the flight permits, planning your GPS waypoints, taking into account the different factors like telecommunications, terrain slopes. This is so important because, as you will see on the video, following terrain is key to getting consistent data. Meaning that if we fly 150 meters from one pole and 100 meters from the next one, we will not get the same resolution. So once pictures are uploaded on the cloud, they will be geo-referenced on the map. You can go to each asset and include annotations. For instance, if there's corrosion, a broken insulator, etc. Let's check a couple of examples. On the fifth pole, we can see that there's corrosion on the metallic crossbar, so simply tag it in a couple of clicks. If we want, we can also assign different levels of severity. For instance, let's go to pole number 8. Here we can see that one of the conductors has glass insulators and there are 2 insulator chains that have been replaced. Let's assume that these were broken insulators instead. So we would report an incident that needs a maintenance action. I cannot show you severe incidences because, as you can see, our customers carry out excellent maintenance programs. Finally, the software automatically creates a report including all these pictures and annotations so that we don't have to spend a lot of time typing them in. So the benefits are clear. First, we can prioritize which maintenance actions are critical using the filters of the software so that we can prevent more power cuts. Second, cutting down costs using unmanned planes instead of helicopters or multicopters, especially in these hard-to-reach areas where they are not so efficient. Plus, we can reduce the time and cost of manual data analysis. And last but not least, we can distribute information across our organization in a simple way, controlling the permits of every user. So probably at this point you should be wondering, Juan, every company should be deploying drones. Why most of the drone inspections are small projects or POCs, and why most of the assets inspections are still done by helicopters? So don't miss the next videos where we will discuss about the key drivers to implement a drone program in the energy sector.